Sometimes a database will already have a citation made for you. In this case, you can use Cite to save time. Create a new citation as normal. Select the green plus, database category, and original content in a database. Then, instead of filling in the template, select the small line at the top for Cite copy and paste a citation. With your article open in a new tab, copy the full citation listed in the article, generally found at the bottom. I'm using my shortcut to copy and pasting into the box. Make sure your paste didn't change any characters and already includes a copyright date and a URL. Mine has both, so I go down and select Save. Once again, check that there are no errors to edit, and that's it. Your citation is added to your project.